Anytime you're practicing renunciation, you're deluded. How about that now? You're deluded. What are you renouncing? Anytime you renounce something, you're tied forever to the thing you renounce. There's a guru in India. He says every time a prostitute comes to me, she's talking about nothing but God. She says, I'm sick of this life I'm living. I want God. He says every time a priest comes to me, he's talking about nothing but sex. He's full of sex. Tied to it forever. As long as you're fighting it, you're giving it power. You give it as much power as you are using to fight it. You must receive your demons, because when you fight them, you empower them. But nobody ever told you this. And when you renounce something, you're tied to it. The only way to get out of this is to see through it. Don't renounce it. See through it. Understand its true value. You won't need to renounce it. It'll just drop. But of course, if you don't see that, if you're hypnotized, as I told you, you've been hypnotized into thinking that you won't be happy, as Jenny there was saying, into thinking that you won't be happy without this or that or the other. So you're stuck. What we need to do for you is not what so-called spirituality is attempting to do, to get you to make sacrifices, to get you to renounce things. That's useless. You're still sleeping. What we need to do for you is to help you to understand. 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 If you understood, you'd drop it. Which is another way of saying, if you woke up, you'd drop it.